Hey guys, so this is gonna be very quick. I just wanted to show you how to achieve like the undetectable mascara look. Just freaked out that my mic wasn't on. I'm wearing incredibly minimal makeup. I have like a little bit of concealer under my eyes, teeny bit of stuff in my brows, and then just basically like a lip balm. So this is going to be for people who are trying to achieve an undetectable mascara look. Like maybe you like mascara, but you don't want it to look like you're wearing a ton of it, you know? So the first thing that you want to do is curl your lashes, unless they're already curly, and then lucky you. I have very straight lashes. If you're someone like me who has very straight and blonde lashes, I mean, they're pretty blonde. I look like I don't even have any lashes if I'm just like this, you know? So my favorite lash curler is the one by Refer. I will link it. If you've watched my videos before, then you know this lash curler. Lancome has a really good one. I don't know. I feel like people are always shouting out like a lot of lash curlers. No drugstore lash curlers so far have won me over. So the first thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes so I get like a little bit of something there. So I start at the base, and then it looks creepy. I know a lot of you have seen this. Start at the base, pulsing, and then I kind of like rest against the base of the lash, and then I pulse up and kind of just like pull up the lash to get like some lift there so you can see a difference. And then I'll usually do that like a couple times. My boyfriend's cooking. We're getting ready to go to a movie. Okay, so good lift, right? Now you can actually like see my lashes. So the trick for me personally, if you have lashes that don't really like stay, is using a waterproof mascara. If you have lashes that stay, don't worry about this. Use whatever works for you. I like using a waterproof mascara, and I like a tiny wand. So I have two mascaras to talk to you about. The first one is Clio Kill Lash. This is a Korean brand. They're available on Amazon. I've talked about them a bunch of times. If you know my channel, then you definitely know them. This is like a very waterproof mascara, and it's nice because it has like a super tiny and precise wand. So that's a great option. But today I'm going to be using a drugstore option. The one that I think is a really good drugstore option is L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof. So this also has a very tiny wand, as you can see. Super duper tiny. So what you want to do, the strategy here is going to be applying the mascara at the base using a very light hand, and then just kind of like pushing gently upwards. So you're kind of creating like a little bit of a tint there, and most of the definition is going to go at the base of the lashes. But as you go up, you're not like piling on that mascara, if that makes sense. So I'll just show you. I'm going to push it against the bottom of the lash, like so the root of the lash, and then I'm going to kind of just like flick up. You could use a brown mascara if you're very fair. I like using black, so it doesn't make a difference to me. So just kind of wiggling and then letting go at the base. Okay, so now we have our like application of mascara. Now, one thing that you can do is just kind of like rinse off your wand and just kind of like go through the lashes with a clean wand. You can use just like a clean spoolie. That's what I'm gonna do. There are also lash brushes. Dominique Cosmetics has a really good one. It is incredible. Like, it is so amazing. So that's a really good option too. I can show you that. So you just kind of like start at the base and then just kind of like brush through the lashes. And it kind of like distributes that mascara evenly and separates them to make them a little bit more like fluffy. Get it on your lid, don't worry about it, just let it dry. So you're just kind of like blinking against it. You can use it to kind of like separate them. You can turn it. I guess I'm not using a clean spoolie, I guess I'm just using this. But it's such a good tool. But if you don't have something like this, because this, you know, you don't have access to something like this, just like a little clean spoolie would work just fine. See how nice and light that's making my lashes? So I'm basically like focusing all of the product at the base of the root, and then just kind of like slowly pushing it up so that it's coating almost to the tip, like essentially coating the whole lash, but you have this really nice soft look. But the fact that we're using waterproof mascara means that it's going to hold those lashes in place. You get any mascara on your lid, just wait for it to dry. You can kind of like scrape it away. Just like that. You see the difference? They look super soft. It's like a nice light coating, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing a ton of mascara. It's not like piled up, but my lashes look defined. And it just gives my eyes like a little bit more of something. It also kind of is like, oh, she does have eyelashes, you know? I like to kind of angle them out. And then you can do the exact same thing with your lower lashes. So when I'm doing this kind of thing, I like to kind of focus it on the outer, like the outer third of my lashes. So just like here, and once again, just like the tiniest amount. It's a little harder to focus like at the base of the lower lashes, but if you just use like a very tiny amount and just kind of like tap them like that, I like to have like the majority of the product on the outer part of the lashes. Actually, Clio does have a brown version of that mascara. I just don't have it. So that's a good option, again, if you're very fair. So now I'm taking that same lash tool and just kind of like brushing it through, just to give them like a light coating. And you can obviously build this up as much as you want. It depends on your coloring or like how defined you want them. Yeah, so that's that. Undetectable mascara. You can see a big difference, right? All right, guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you like a little quick tip because I enjoy this, especially for very like natural, no makeup looks. Or if you just really hate the way that like really clumpy mascara looks on you. Hope it was helpful. Let me know. And let me know if you want to see more stuff like this and what it might be. Okay, bye.